I know, I'm showing you the document right now. Hold on. Okay. Remember, mood is how it makes you feel. Tone is how the author feels about it. So tone is how the author is talking about it. Mood is how you feel about it. We're going to read the poem again, and all you're going to do is answer these questions. Question number 1, what was the title of the poem? Question number 2, what was the mood of the poem? So how did it make you feel? Question number 3, what was the tone of the poem? How do you think the author feels about it? Question number 4, what was the author's purpose of this poem? Did the author write this to persuade you, to inform you, or to entertain you? Question 5, what was the author's message of the poem? What do you think the author wants you to learn after you read that poem? What do you think was the lesson the author wanted to teach you? And number 6, what was your favorite part of the poem? I'm going to read the poem again for you all, and I'm going to show you the poem again. But I want you to make sure that we answer those 6 questions. Just in case you forgot, here is our poem again. Sick by Shel Silverstein. I cannot go to school today, said little Peggy Ann McKay. I have the measles and the mumps, a gash, a rash, and purple bumps. My mouth is wet, my throat is dry, I'm going blind in my right eye. My tonsils are as big as rocks. I've counted 16 chicken pox. And there's one more, that's 17. And don't you think my face looks green? My leg is cut. My eyes are blue. It might be instamatic flu. I cough and sneeze and gasp and choke. I'm sure that my left leg is broke. My hip hurts when I move my chin. My belly button is caving in. My back is wrenched. My ankle sprained. My appendix pains each time it rains. My nose is cold. And my toes are numb. I have a sliver in my thumb. My neck is stiff. My voice is weak. I hardly whisper when I speak. My tongue is filling up my mouth. I think my hair is falling out. My elbow's bent. My spine ain't straight. My temperature is 108. My brain is shrunk. I cannot hear. There's a hole inside my ear. I have a hangnail, and my heart is... What? What's that? What's that you say? You say today is Saturday? Goodbye. I'm going out to play. So we're going to use that poem. We're going to fill out these 6 questions. Now write your answers inside the boxes next to them. And when you finish answering all 6 questions, you can go ahead and turn it in. I'm going to keep my page up to share the poem with you. That way you could always look back at it when you're filling out your questions. Yes, Alexa. That is going to be in classwork, and the topic is going to be reading. Okay. So again, you're just using that poem, Sick by Shel Silverstein. When you click on the assignment, you're going to fill out those questions. There's 6 of them. Should be 6 blank boxes for you to type into.